Yeah, some type of issue with the counter?
There's an issue because they don't want to do their job. I'm trying to check
Listen, quiet.
No. You asked me what the issue is. Don't come and try to quiet me. I do not care. You're going to respect me because I did not come up here and disrespect you. So don't come up here and disrespect me.
I'm trying to tell you what they told me.
Okay. I know what they told you.
Okay, what did they tell me?
They told you, I jumped behind the counter. That's all they told you.
No, that's not all they told me.
Okay, what they told you?
They said that they're trying to help you.
They did not try to help me. I'm telling you, they did not try to help me.
Well, you need to keep your voice down in here. You're in a public area.
I don't need to do anything I don't want to do.
Well, if you stop their operations,
I'm not stopping no operation. I did not stop no operation.
All right?
I did not stop no
operation. Makes them stop helping other customers.
There was no other customers. I was the only one.
Am I yelling at you?
I don't care.
I can start yelling too, but that's not what we need to do.
Yell if you want to. You will be escalating this.
No, you're escalating. I'm trying to assist you here, and you're trying to escalate this.
Can you get me on my flight?
No, do I look like I work with American Airlines?
You cannot assist me. Okay?
Well, then you can leave the airport
too. I'm not leaving nowhere because I have a flight to catch.
Right? They say they're not helping you.
Do not put your hands on me. Do not put your hands on me.
You put your hands on me.
I didn't touch you.
Put your hand out. Put your hand back now.
My arm. You're breaking my arm.
Now you're going to jail. Now you're going to jail.
I didn't even touch you. They're rude. I did not touch them. I didn't do anything to them. And they're hurting me and I cannot breathe. How?
Put your knees up.
Put your knees up.
I cannot. How? They're breaking my arm.
Get up.
How?
Get up.
I can't get up.
Yes, you can.
No, I cannot.
Put your leg up.
They're breaking my arm.
How? Now you're up, right?
Let's go.
Ow, that's too tight.
Oh, listen.
That's too tight.
Before the end of this video, I'm going to teach you how not to get into this. I'm going to teach you secret tricks not to get into this next time. Like, watch this.
I'm walking. That's too tight.
We'll lose someone when we get to the car.
All you have to do is listen, and you would have been on your flight.
No, you didn't listen. You would not listen to me. Stop, I'm walking. Why are you twisting my arm? Why are you twisting my arm when I'm cooperating? Stop twisting my arm.
Keep walking.
I'm walking. Why are you doing? Why are you twisting my arm? I'm walking. I'm cooperating.
Right there.
I need my cash. I'm not going to lose my cash. How? Why are you still twisting my arm? What the f***?
Your cuffs.
You want your fucking hand?
You want your cuffs to loosen? Then relax.
Then stay. I'm a little 10-6 right now. Hey, where you going?
I cannot get hurt.
Give me the money.
Just one money.
It goes with us. We get it back.
You already...
It's going to jail with you.
This hurts. Somebody help. Why am I going to jail? Tell me why am I being arrested?
Disorderly conduct.
Why?
Law enforcement.
I did not do anything. I didn't even touch him.
Tell the judge.
I did not even touch him. I cannot get in because this thing is too tight.
Get
The
in.
right one is too tight. The right one is too... Get it.
You keep resisting. You keep resisting away.
Anthony was charged with battery, disorderly conduct, trespass, and resisting without violence. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
And you can see from this case, it's a whole lot of like things happening here that are not supposed to happen. Because you could see the way he was kind of resisting. First, he was being given a lawful order. Step out this way. You first of all started by raising your voice at a police officer. Who does that? Okay? In law, when you study this or when you study psychology, just the fact you raise your voice at the police officer shows you're on the wrong. You understand? Because if you know you're at, maybe you're not at fault, when someone is talking to you, you're going to listen and calm down yourself and listen. Not yelling and shouting and making all the noise. Like, watch what unfolds. Like, watch this.
Law.
Just good to make the time.
She's where?
Because like the first case was kind of brutal, okay? Yes. After he was being charged with all the things he was being charged with, like for violation, resisting, shouting and mocking at officers, and even trespassing at the airport, that was that. Like, watch this other segment and see. This even get more hotter here.
What's going on? She's upset. She's upset.
She's drunk. She hates the airport. I gotta go to work at 6 a.m. We're obviously taking the late flight.
Is she with you?
Yeah, we're together.
Oh, okay. Well, let's
because this sucks. Because like honestly, she's really just drunk, and if you just give her some water and let her go to sleep, she'll be fine.
Yeah, but
But like everybody's like, oh, we can't. What's the reason why we can't get on the plane? Like honestly,
for her safety. So when you get, just listen, when you get to 10,000 feet up in the air,
we drink all the time before we get.
You're getting sick, so sick that you're dying in the air.
We do this all the time.
It's not her call, it's the Captain Kong. Yeah, he's the one that said that she can't fly. Yeah.
She's right. She's sitting down right out.
Oh, she's sitting down? Okay, I'm gonna need you to...
Crying.
It's literally because she's drunk and she should just be able to do it.
She's just intoxicated. They're not gonna let her fly.
Like what?
And that's her boyfriend right there.
Like imagine people being drunk on a plane and you're saying it's for her safety. And there's no one probably leaving.
For this, like I literally paid for this.
Now there's a cop here.
Discount.
We got multiple cops here.
Arrest me? Yeah, I'll fight you. You arrest me. Arrest me.
No, please. No, you.
Arrest me, you asshole.
No, you back off.
Let her go.
Back off.
Yeah, because she's black. White ass up. Back up. Asshole. Please, please.
You just stop resisting. Like,
All you
stop
gotta do is go
resisting.
home.
Yeah.
Well, I tried to go home, but you guys didn't let me.
Yeah, good. You don't even have a...
So grow up. Like, you don't even have something to kick.
I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. No, I want you to go home.
Let me have
You
your
go home.
ID, sir.
One place you should always try to violate is at the airport. Like the airport, you shouldn't play around there because we have expensive planes there and passengers there who are going for business and all that. I'm not sure you should violate laws in some other places, but at the airport you should take special note, okay? Because it doesn't get easy there.
Why do you need my ID?
Because
No.
Just,
No. Again. You.
okay.
Don't talk to him.
This is an
He
assault
has
report.
nothing to do with me. You. Leave him alone.
You're gonna
Leave
be-
him
You're
alone.
gonna be banned from all airlines.
I don't care.
Okay.
Blacklist me. I don't care. Leave him alone. You are blacklisting him because he is a
You
black.
don't know your limitations.
I don't care. Yeah. Yeah.
What is
Step
it?
on
I
my
need your
neck. Kill me.
Why do you
Just
need
like
my
every
ID?
other
Ask
asshole.
you for your ID.
Yeah.
Hold
Step on
on.
my
You're with
neck.
her.
You
I'm
asshole.
with her.
You're a witness
But
to what happened,
why?
right?
I'm not a witness.
You
You're
were
a witness.
there.
You see all these people out here
All
for their
cops
ID.
for
As a black man,
you are
I'm not giving.
because that's what cops
don't
do,
need my ID.
right?
I know my law, and you don't have to ask me for my ID, and I
No,
don't have to give it to
you
anybody.
did nothing. You have no reason to
Why do I
talk
got
to
to
him.
correct myself?
Can you please?
Look at you holding my white
you
girlfriend
please?
down, who's a tiny
Literally,
lady, and
who's
you
not doing
And
anything.
do you want to know why she
just-
got aggressive?
just have a
Because
seat.
you
Can you
approached
send one
her.
more person up here?
See, one more person up here, literally in my
Oh,
face.
you're gonna-
We got multiple cops here.
Arrest me? Please.
All right, this is what's gonna happen.
You're gonna
I'm
arrest
gonna
me.
get a
I
wheelchair.
don't care. I don't
There's a wheelchair right there. Hang on.
You're dumb.
Okay, Joe, wanna put her here, then we can wheel her
She's
to...
gonna, all she's gonna do is gonna kick you. I want to get you up. I want to get you out of here.
Okay.
Okay?
No.
No, that's what's gonna happen.
Okay,
Are you
cool.
gonna be cool?
No. Yeah, just like they did to...
Catherine, I need you to. What do you want me to do? I'm gonna help you up.
And that's what she's doing right now. She's yelling at my boyfriend because he's black.
I'm right here.
And my
Right.
handcuffs
He's talking
are
to
on
you.
super tight right now because all you guys know is aggression.
Okay, I'm gonna get you up. Okay?
Tell me my f***ing Miranda rights before you
Okay,
kick me out.
I'm gonna read you your rights, okay?
Yes.
Okay. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have a lawyer present with you while you are.
Reading it off of you.
If you cannot afford
You don't know it.
hire a lawyer, one will be provided for you free of cost. Do you
don't
understand your
even
rights?
know the Miranda
This
laws.
is what I'm gonna do. I'm
Sure.
gonna roll you on your side. You're gonna take your knees up to your chest.
You know.
Roll to your side. Get your knees up.
Want to sit down? No, I don't.
Okay. We're gonna go this way.
Oh, here's this guy.
So she only got mad because we asked her for some water. Wait, hold on.
So you didn't get her ID.
Please, at least.
Taking her to jail, county jail as
Babe, you want me to call Jackie?
Yeah.
You gotta come back in here.
Well, how would I?
Can't go back in
Well, I
here.
don't have a rental car. How do I get to the jail?
I'll give you all that information, but get away from the jetway.
Literally.
exactly what makes some people get banned in some airports. Yes. Like, you'll be surprised for you. Maybe this is the first time you see she calls herself a sovereign citizen and stuff like that. Because you'll be surprised for you to know some people can't travel in America. Yes, because of their misconduct. And they're not only being misconduct, they are being paid. They have charges to be cleared up, because if you can see this kind of conduct, then just imagine you entering the plane or boarding on the plane and just act like this. Let's say the plane is 1,000 feet up the ground. You understand? So stuff like this is not allowed. You could think you have the right to just talk anyhow, do things anyhow. No, 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 no. You don't do that. Okay? Because when you act like this and behave like this, it kind of put people at risk. So she was not only sent to jail, she was being charged. And you can see her yelling and shouting, and the boyfriend was kind of refusing. No, I'm not a witness to this, knowing fully well that you guys are not on a correct path. Okay? Don't let this happen to you, because you will be accountable for it. And hell no, if God is not on your side, you're going to get banned for doing this. Okay? So just do your best not to get into stuff like this. Always follow the law. And when the officers come, you could see from the first case and the second case, there was a resistance, and which is a charge against the law. Okay? So you don't do that. Listen and follow instruction. If you're loving this, subscribe to the channel, share it to your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Jola.